Hello everyone, I am Ipipani. Today, I'm going to read you a story. The Cat and Her Friend. Once upon a time, there lived a white cat. She was kind and helpful, so she had many friends in the forest. Among the animals, she had the most number of friends. She was very happy. One day, she heard some big dogs coming. Those big dogs are coming, but why should I always run for my life? I have many friends. They will help me, said the cat. So the cat went to her friend, the horse. Friend horse, the big dogs are coming. Please let me ride on your back. Carry me to a safe place, the cat shouted. I would like to do that, friend cat, but right now I have some work to do. My master will get angry if I go away now. Anyway, you have many friends. Go to them. They will help you, said the horse. So the cat went to the cow. Friend cow, please help me. The big dogs are coming. Let me ride on your back. Carry me to a safe place, the cat shouted. My dear friend, you know how I feel about you. I would be very glad to help you, but I have some work to do. I cannot go now. Why not ride the goat? The cow said. The cat went to her friend, the goat. The goat was busy eating grass. Friend goat, please help me. The big dogs are coming. Please drive them away, but them with your long horns, said the cat. I am sorry, friend cat. I have just started eating. I am still very hungry. I am not strong enough to fight the dogs. Next time, I will help you, the goat said. The dogs came nearer and nearer. Bow wow wow! Arf! The dogs cried. The cat had to run as fast as it could. It ran away from the dogs. It climbed up a tall tree in the forest. Poor cat. The cat said, Now I know one who has many acquaintances may not have one true friend among them. Moral lesson: a friend in need is a friend indeed. That was the story of the cat and her friends. Thank you for watching.